What's up guys? In today's video, I'll quickly go through all the touch sensor control panel actions that you can do with your Sony WH-1000 wireless headphones. Now, as you all know, these Sony headphones have a touch sensitive panel on the right ear cup, and there's a lot you can do with that touch panel. So I'll quickly go through all the functions. So first of all, let's go through the functions of a phone call. Now, let's say you receive a phone call with your headphones connected to your phone. So if you want to receive the phone call, simply double tap on the right ear cup and you'll receive the call, and then once you're done, you can double tap on it again and that will end the phone call. Now during the phone call, you can slide up to increase the volume or slide down to decrease the volume of that particular phone call. Now if the phone rings and you want to reject that particular phone call, all you have to do is simply touch and hold on the right ear cup for about 3 seconds and that phone call is going to be rejected. Next is music. So you've connected your headphones to your phone and you're on Apple Music or Spotify or whichever way you listen to music. This is how to control. So first things first, volume control is obviously sliding up to increase volume, and this only happens when the music is playing. So slide up to increase volume and slide down to reduce the volume, and then swipe forward to go to the next song and swipe backwards to go to the previous song. And also you can touch and hold with 2 fingers to enable and disable the speak to chat feature. So touch and hold to enable, as you can see here, and then touch and hold again with 2 fingers to disable speak to chat. That's all music controls. Now also, if you want to, for instance, launch your phone's default smart assistant, for iPhone that's obviously Siri, and for Google phones it's obviously Google Assistant. Simply touch and hold and that will launch Siri, as you can see, and you can go ahead and ask Siri whatever you need to ask through the microphones on your headphones, and it's going to relay to your phone and then relay the answers back through the headphones. And then also, if you want to exit Siri or your smart assistant, touch and hold again and it's going to exit the voice smart assistant. Lastly, let's say you're listening to some music and you have noise cancelling enabled and you really want to hear what's going on around you real quick without necessarily going to your phone or pressing the button to disable noise cancelling altogether. You can just do a quick attention mode. It's called the quick attention mode. You can get quick attention of what's going on around you by simply placing your hand over the right ear cup. That disables noise cancelling. You can hear your surrounding if there's a car passing, or maybe something you heard, or maybe someone wants to say something to you real quick. Simply do that, and once you're done with them, you can release. And those are the different ways of using that touch panel on the right ear cup of your Sony WH-1000's wireless headphones. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.